Ni thini wa Kigomano giki kia mathomo ma urimi na kiria kiraretete vamwe gwa itemi urimi na mvunge 15 cia witikia kurutitwe njira cia undu cia urimi ta kuroria iguru mbura niguo kurima undu ucio niguo uracangira na gikiro kinene unyiviriru wa irio gitaruri kia Afrika irathiro. Ni undu ugaruruku wa riera gwa itemi matuika kwandikithia arimi kugwata mbaru njira cia kiriu cia kurima irithagitira mai marema mutheturi niguo kuvutithia mamera gukura na kuvesana maciaro.
One of the things that we are promoting is conservation agriculture, so that the available amount of rain that they receive, they are able to conserve it and the plant are able to benefit from that.
Kulingana na John Kimanthi uria ni avitha ruvunga rwa Canadian Grain Bank na thenge gukorwa ni mekirite uritu kuthomithia arimi njira njeru cia kuongerera maketha migundari engi yao matira ikumbatiria na uguo gukorwa makiorirwa ni thoko cia gutura cia maketha mao.
They implement in different agroecological zones and successes will be different, runnings will be different, and also even challenges, and I think from that then the blend of all this enables us even to implement even better programs in future.
Ukavinda rikauretananira riko kwi arimi kurira mutugo kurithagia mavio migundari yao ritanjira kugitira muthetu iguru uria ukoragwo na onoru wa gukuria irio.
There has been decline in crop production over the years simply because of the conventional farming practices that farmers practiced over time, and the declining soil fertility, and also the issues of climate change.
Mathomo mama maremekeka wa mwaka rungu rwa Canadian Food Grains Bank maragusiritie gwa itemi 100 kuuma mavururi matiganite. Vandori vaka TV ni kaunti ya Embu ni Dennis Fundi.